This video, we discuss about the terraform.tf var file. Previously, we was having the value available over the star.tf var file. Over there, we are having the default value. This default value was override by the terraform.tf vars file. But we can also override terraform.tf var file values as well. And how we can override it at the time of firing the command. We can supply the parameter -var, and over the inverted commas, we have to define the value. So what's the value is? The key is instance type and equal to, we have to supply the value. Right now, we are having the value n1 standard 2, and over the command line, I'm going to supply n2 standard 2. So over the previous command output, you are able to see that previously the machine type is n1 standard 2, and I'm going to supply the machine type n2 here, n2 standard 2. So that particular command line variable parameter will replace the default value as well as the value defined in terraform.tf vars file. Sorry. Here you are able to see that the machine type is N2 standard 2. So whatever the value we will supply at the time of command line, that particular value replace all the parameters defined over the different stages. Let me apply the command. Till the time we will check the documentation of Terraform variable file. Terraform variables, we are having the three different way to define the Terraform variables. One is the input variable. Input variable, we already discussed that at the time of firing the command, we can define the variables. Okay, the output values we already defined in previous practicals. Previous practical says that here, if you're talking about the output value, here we define the output variable. It will print once the resource successfully created, then it will print the value over the terminal. And the local variable, we will discuss about it later. And in the input variable, if you scroll the parameters, we having the multiple arguments available. We already used the default value. Default value will only pick once the Terraform will not able to find any another values. Okay, so where is our resource? Here it is. Let me refresh the page. And you are able to see that the instance type is N2 standard 2. N2 standard 2 is only defined over the command parameter. You can check that over there, the N1 standard 1 and the terraform.tf where carry N1 standard 2. And over the command line, we supply that particular parameter. So command line variable will replace all the variables which defined over the file. Now I am going to do one more practical. Let me destroy the resource. In this time, I'm not going to assign the value over there, as well as I'm not going to define the default value. Let me comment that particular value as well. And I'm going to fire the command terraform plan. If we didn't define any values, we didn't define the value over the terraform.tf var file, as well as we didn't define the value over the variable.tf file. The default value we didn't define it. Also, we didn't define the value at the time of firing the command. In that particular scenario, Terraform will ask the value at the time when you are going to fire the Terraform plan, or you are going to fire the Terraform apply command. So here I'm going to supply the value n1 and 2 standard one, and you are able to see that it assigned the machine type and to standard one. Thanks guys.